Guys, and welcome back. I hope you all had a great week. Today, in the spirit of the long Easter weekend, I'm doing a well overdue spring clean of my office. So give this a big thumbs up if you're in need of some spring cleaning motivation, and also comment down below if you're cleaning along with me. So I don't know about you, but whenever I give one room a thorough clean, I like to start at the door and work my way round clockwise just to make sure I don't skip any parts of the room. I'm currently using actually this new Method multi-purpose cleaner in Wild Watermelon, and you guys, this smells so good. And can we just appreciate how gorgeous the packaging is too? Method cleaners are definitely some of my favorites. I'm also using the Star Drops white vinegar just to help remove any stubborn stains. I love using white vinegar as well because it is such a great multi-purpose cleaner, as well as the Method one, but I tend to use more the white vinegar for mirrors and glass, and then just popping down the sink as well. I'd also love to know from you guys if you use white vinegar for cleaning, and if you have any extra tips on how to use it, then be sure to please leave a comment down below so we can all share our tips and tricks on cleaning. A few weeks back, I swapped my rack over to my spring and summer capsule wardrobe. Isn't it so nice to wear lighter and brighter clothes instead of all the layers we have to put on in the winter months? Spring and summer is definitely my favourite time of year. And if you want to know more about my capsule wardrobe and how I plan it, I do have a video on this that I'll link down below. So on the white rail, I did have a few marks from the copper hangers. So I usually find a magic eraser does a great job of removing any stubborn stains from the top of the rail. And also the rail is actually from IKEA, and although it's not the most sturdiest rail, it does what I need it to do, and I also just love the fact that it's white as well. As well as cleaning each section of the room, I decided to hoover as I go along as well. I'm still totally in love with my Dyson vacuum. You guys, this is such a game changer when it comes to hoovering. It's just so convenient, and you don't need to plug it into hoover. You do need to plug it into charge, but I love the fact that it comes with lots of attachments so you can sort of get into all the corners and things like that, and it just helps get everything cleaner quicker. I definitely hoover a lot more than I used to, just because I don't need to plug it in anymore. So this little corner that I'm cleaning now is where I just like to relax in the morning, and I do a bit of meditation. I usually do 10 minutes within my morning routine, and I was thinking of doing a morning routine. I have done an evening one a good few months ago, and that hasn't really changed, but I've never shared with you my updated morning routine, so definitely let me know in the comments down below if you want me to share that with you guys. This area at the back you may recognise as the background of a lot of my videos that I film. I also get quite a few questions on my oil diffuser in the background as well. This is from Amazon, and also the oils, most of the oils that I use are from Amazon as well, the essential oils. So I'll have that link down below if you want to go and check that out. It was super cheap. And I wanted to share with you guys as well my favourite motivational essential oil blend for during the day when I'm working, and that is peppermint and orange. This mix smells so good and it really does get me pumped for doing my work and things like that. It's just such a fresh, invigorating mix. So I'll have the recipe for that down below. I actually got it off Pinterest. I do have a whole Pinterest board on lots of different essential oil recipes that I found on Pinterest. I'll have that down in the description bar down below if you want to go and check out any different kinds of blends. Now, I'm sure you've heard me mention before, if you've watched my videos for a while, how much I love the Marie Kondo book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. This honestly has changed my life in the way I think about decluttering and tidying. Now, most of the house is clutter-free. I do try and keep things in order and organised, but I do like to have a little declutter every time I do a thorough clean in a room, and I just kind of go through everything and decide if that really brings me joy, or do I need it, or have I used it within the past year. If not, then it has to go. I'll either throw it away or pass it on to someone else that will use it instead. I did mention to you guys a while back when I changed my office table and moved it into the middle of the room that I was gonna decorate this room. This is still on my list, but we've actually been decorating our second bathroom and also our hallway. So if you want to see tours of them, then I will do some videos on each room individually, and then finally we will be decorating this office. It will probably just be white, but it really does need a spruce up. This was a new build when we moved in, so the paint they use is just quite cheap paint. They just do the same colour all over the house. So gradually we've just been decorating or redecorating each room. And I do have videos of our kitchen, living room and upstairs bathroom tour. If you want to go and check them out, I will put the links to them down below. Last but not least, I just wanted to quickly tidy up my makeup vanity, as I want to do a separate spring cleaning video on how I declutter and deep clean this area, so definitely keep a lookout for that. But in the meantime, have a great long weekend, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.